Welcome everyone, here is how you add friends on Candy Crush in your iPhone. This will also work on Android as well. So you just want to tap on your profile at the very top, then tap on friends, and you're going to see here add more friends. Tap on this one, invite friends, and from here you can see all this text. So with here you just invite via the messages app. We'll find the social media you use, Facebook. You can also email your friends, etc. Just use whatever way you would like to, right? So let's say I go to Twitter. You can see it will make this tweet, and then you just tweet it, you'll be good to go. Also, if you don't want to, just do emails, etc., what you can do instead is open up the Mail app and just copy this link here. So copy this invite link and then paste that invite link to someone, okay? So if you don't want to use these social media options, paste that invite link and then they'll be invited and they'll be able to play Candy Crush with you and see their score, etc. So with that being said, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.